In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert social media icons in Canva. Let's get started right from the Canva editor. Make sure you already have your design open, whether it's a Facebook post, Instagram story, YouTube thumbnail, or any other format. Once your design is on the screen, look over to the left-hand side of the Canva interface. You will see a vertical toolbar with several options like templates, elements, text, and so on. For this process, we're going to use the Elements tab. Click on Elements. This is where Canva stores all kinds of graphics, shapes, photos, and icons that you can drag into your design. After you open Elements, look towards the top of that panel for the search bar. This search bar lets you find exactly what you need without scrolling through everything. Now, in that search bar, type in the name of the social media platform whose icon you want to use. For example, if you need a Facebook icon, type Facebook logo or simply Facebook. If you need an Instagram icon, type Instagram. For TikTok, just type TikTok. You can do the same for any other platform you want to include, like Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or YouTube. As soon as you type and press enter, Canva will show you a range of matching results. You'll notice different styles. Some icons are colorful, some are simple outlines, and some might even be more decorative or stylized. Take a moment to scroll and choose an icon that matches the overall look of your design. If your design is clean and minimal, go for a simple flat logo. If it's playful or bold, you might pick something more creative. When you find the icon you like, click on it once. Canva will automatically place it onto your design canvas. From here, you can click and drag the icon to move it around, or use the white circles on the corners to resize it. Drag outward to make it larger or inward to make it smaller. Try to keep the proportions consistent, so it doesn't look stretched or squished. Repeat this same process for each social media platform you want to display. Click Elements, type the platform name, choose your favorite icon, and add it to the